Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where Hulu is billed. Log into Spotify and open Account Settings. Look for subscriptions or premium family details that mention Hulu. Once done, note whether Hulu appears as an active add-on or a promotional benefit tied to your Spotify plan because the cancel path differs. If Spotify manages the billing, you will cancel through Spotify. If billing is from Hulu directly, you must cancel in Hulu. Make sure to keep both logins handy before proceeding to the cancel steps. You now navigate to Spotify on a desktop browser for full controls. Sign in, choose account, then your plan or subscriptions. Find the Hulu entry under add-ons or bundle details. Click Manage and then cancel or remove add-on, confirm when prompted. If Spotify asks why, answer and proceed. This stops future charges. Once confirmed, look for an email, receipt, or on-screen confirmation. Keep that as proof. If cancellation options are grayed out, make sure you're using the account owner's credentials. You finish by verifying the cancellation took effect. Sign into Hulu and confirm access status, then check your next billing date. Access usually continues until the period ends. If you still see charges, contact Spotify support immediately and provide the cancellation confirmation reference you saved. Escalate in chat or via email if needed. If the Hulu benefit came from a promo, make sure promo terms didn't auto-convert to a paid plan. One tip, clear cache or try another browser if account pages don't update.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.